Arduino makes it easy to automate any kind of physical thing with electronic parts. Basically, it is a collection of board softwares where a person can use Java, C++, and even Python to program them. Normally, a software called Arduino IDE is used for programming Arduino microcontrollers. It is really easy to get started with Arduino programming. Among all the Arduino boards, Arduino Uno, Nano, and Megas are most popular. There are already millions of projects have been done by students, workers, and more. Even there are professionals and freelancers who are ready to program. You make an Arduino device for you at as low as $5. With excellent library support built in, Arduino boards can be programmed to do almost anything at a cycle rate of microseconds. Normally, starters learn Arduino by doing the examples of built-in LED. Arduino IDE is already built-in examples, libraries, and thousands of boards to work with. The serial monitor is used as an alternative output for Arduino. If you wanted to know more, just click the link below in the description.